Hi, in this video, we will be doing a preview of project manufacturing system offered by Focus Softnet for businesses such as marine supplies, power equipment, hardware and building material, canvas solution providers, etc. Most of these businesses face challenges, predominantly due to their inability to define bill of material considering they are dynamic in nature, and also face challenges in their routing process, shop floor management, tasks in progress visibility, inventory control, supply chain and accounting integrations. Centra CRM Project Manufacturing Program is designed to help project manufacturing enterprises to accomplish their just-in-time, bespoke, or customized order activities including design, production, task management, and delivery efficiently. It is loaded with many features and some of them are browser-based and mobile-enabled, process routing or stage management, visualize progress and status changes with Kanban-style boards, calendar management, communication engine, tasks and subtask management, task assignments and escalations, call for action notifications, email alerts, issues tracker, activity monitor, before and after image repositories, document viewer, dashboards, incident management, email marketing and autoresponders. Let's now dive onto a very brief but an example process preview followed by a hands-on platform experience. The operations module journey of the Centra CRM begins from converted lead to opportunity or job ID. It flows through production TMS in line with the workflow automations defined as per the business requirement and navigating through various stage updates in parallel creates the stage triggers such as tasks, emails. Further, the CRM ecosystem enables a real-time updates on related modules within the CRM platform and eventually integrates with the ERP modules of Focus 9 which hosts supply chain, inventory, and accounting interfaces. Here is the platform. All the user credentials are mapped from an admin console and rights are defined as per the profiles and roles of a user within the organization. Once you log in, the landing page would be the dashboard. A dashboard provides the users a very high-level visibility of the various information in the form of reports, graphs, etc., further providing him or her an idea of the calendar, tasks, the next level call for action notifications, and so on. The notifications are be available right on top, while the users are notified over emails too. So the process starts from opportunity or job ID when a user clicks on it. The landing page would be a Kanban view. Over here, the user experience is quite intuitive and enables him to be aware of the job status in a single view. If the user wants to know the details of the job, all he needs to do is click on the stage and preview. Here you go. The additional details, such as job type, delivery method, expected date of delivery, collection, production date, product description, quantity, selling price, gross, taxes, and so on and so forth. Other than this info, a user can also view the details of drawings, design documents which would have been attached by sales team before. Further, with an event or stage completion, the user can change the status in a most simplest manner, and that is just drag and drop. Also, the next level user will be notified by email. Like this, with details of the task and also corresponding information. Let us also look at the mobile console of the platform. Here it is. The landing page is configurable on the mobile as well to accommodate the calendar, tasks and activities, the high-level reports, graphs, alerts, and so on. On the mobile too, a user can perform activities such as navigating through opportunities or job ID and review contents, and also do updates on the opportunity, including attachments of pictures from camera or gallery. In this way, Centros CRM helps a business to bridge the gap between process issues within the operations and shop floor. This is achieved, first, by enabling agility in the process, and two, by enabling adaptability aspects on the shop floor itself. For further information on our solution offerings and services, please connect with our regional offices and book your demo today.